This is why you need to know about Earth's giant animals. They are massive, majestic, and simply mind-blowing. First up, we have the blue whale. This ocean giant can weigh up to 200 tons. That's like 30 elephants combined. Next, the African elephant, tipping the scales at around 12 tons. These gentle giants are truly impressive. Third, the whale shark. Weighing in at about 20 tons, it's the biggest fish in the sea. Fourth, the rhinoceros. These land tanks can weigh up to 2.5 tons. And finally, the giraffe. They might be tall and lean, but they can weigh up to 2 tons. Aren't these giants incredible? Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments.